Welcome to our channel. If you're looking for a downloader code that works on all Firestick models in 2025, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn on your Amazon Firestick, regardless of which model you own. Connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Launch the downloader app. If it's not installed, download it from the Amazon App Store. Step 3. Click on the URL bar at the top of the downloader app to bring up the keyboard. Step 4. Type in the universal downloader code that works on all Firestick models. Make sure to enter it correctly. Step 5. Hit Go to start the download process. The app will download to your device. Step 6. After the download finishes, tap Install when prompted to install the app. Step 7. Open the app and verify that it works perfectly on your Firestick model, whether it's a Firestick Lite, Firestick 4K, or any other version. Step 8. Enjoy seamless streaming across all your Firestick devices with this universal app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.